power of India. In the times to come, India is going to be one of the major players in international law, in shaping and implementing international law, because of the bold steps taken by the present government, our Prime Minister Modi ji, the kind of a huge respect that we command at this point of time, the kind of a positive note that we have given through G20. It has never happened that the declaration coming out of the G20 has been consensual, and this time it happened. And this itself proves that how India is respected and Indian point of view is respected. All the countries are with us. Now it is a master stroke by India that we have, with our interest, we have included African Union in the G20. We hope that they will be thankful to us. Definitely, in international relations, this happens. Give and take happens. Then India is also taking very proactive steps in creating good neighborhood relations, as well as in the West Asia and other areas. So where the power of India, with the help of all the allied the countries, the states, will have a big impact in international negotiations and the functioning of the UN, and also in the restructuring of the UN. So I think this is going to be one of the major aspects in the near future. That means the India's role in international law. If that happens, I think that we'll be having wonderful time. The other problems like Ukraine or the recent attack on Israel, Hamas, and Israel, these kind of problems will be there. I think we'll be looking at it. We'll be looking at it, and India has to respond also in a proper sense. Let us wind up this initial thoughts with a note that the decolonization, even though this mindset is there in the Western countries, as I have stated that there are positive notes that it is changing, and we are for the good we are able to transform their thoughts and leverage the international policies and the provisions in favor of the countries, the third world countries, or the other countries, developing countries, underdeveloped countries. This is going to be the order of tomorrow.